Hey everyone, welcome to this rapid fire explainer. Today, we're doing a complete teardown of something super fascinating, Kate's AI Portfolio Assistant. If you're a hiring manager, a technical recruiter, or a platform owner, you are definitely going to want to pay close attention. We're looking at a highly interactive, totally production-ready solution that's basically built to kill off the traditional static engineering resume.
I mean, we all know the struggle, right? Static resumes give you almost zero context. And let's face it, technical interviews are incredibly time-bound. So how do you actually test a candidate's real technical depth? How do you gauge their focus on production readiness or their architectural decision-making without wasting a ton of precious time? Well, you turn the portfolio itself into a measurable, governed, conversational experience.
Right at the entry point, which is a front-end single-page application, you immediately get the vibe that this is different. It doesn't just passively dump a list of skills on you. Instead, it actively invites recruiters to ask specific role-relevant questions about Kate's professional background, her LinkedIn projects, and her education. And honestly, the real magic kicks in the second you actually ask it something.
The sheer transparency of the system is just brilliant. When you ask a question like, say, does Kate have RAG experience? You don't just get some black box AI answer. You literally see the tool execution logs firing, things like retrieve project context and retrieve resume context. It proves the system is actually working. It's grounding its answers in local knowledge using retrieval augmented generation, which completely shuts down any chance of hallucinated credentials.
And the secret sauce behind that is strict model control through grounded retrieval-only answers. Basically, the specialist agents running behind the scenes have one strict rule: use the retrieved context and nothing else. If the context isn't there, they just flat out admit they don't know. For hiring teams, this is a total game changer because it prevents fabricated claims and guarantees incredibly high-signal, trustworthy evidence.
Now, peeling back the UI, we find a seriously robust fast API and 80K multi-agent backend. The standout piece here is the MCP server, or the tool layer. This acts as a strict capability boundary. It securely separates the model-side agents from getting direct data access, physically forcing them to invoke typed tool functions. That means the entire system is completely auditable from top to bottom.
All of this architecture powers an explicit 5-step multi-agent lifecycle. It kicks off with validation. Think of this as a critical on-topic security gate that instantly rejects non-domain questions. It's an early guardrail that kicks in way before any expensive multi-agent execution even happens. From there, it securely routes the query, delegates it to a specialist agent, synthesizes a final answer, and finally persists the telemetry data.
Zooming in on those specialization tools, these are the core capabilities exposed through that MCP server we just talked about. You've got tools fetching specific chunks for resumes, skills, and projects, all running on a shared retrieval engine using PG Vector. By forcing data access to go through these specific category-filtered functions, it massively restricts the blast radius of data access. And let me tell you, that right there is top-tier engineering rigor.
But how do you know if it's actually performing well in the wild? That's where the admin dashboard comes in, and it absolutely proves this is a production-ready system. Platform owners can just log in and monitor average latency, check out the top questions being asked, and track the most requested intents in real time. It's observable quality tracking. It proves this candidate doesn't just build toy apps, they build fully governed platforms.
And that dashboard is actually just one piece of a massive 3-layer human-in-the-loop flow. Loop 1 captures your end-user thumbs-up or thumbs-down feedback. Loop 2 is the operator review, and Loop 3? That's an engineering regression gate using a golden eval suite to constantly score refusal correctness and semantic quality. All this metadata guarantees continuous evaluation, totally preventing those sneaky silent quality regressions whenever you update a prompt or add new knowledge.
So we've gone through the front end, the traceable RAG logs, the back-end architecture, and the admin governance. This is light years beyond a simple PDF resume. It really begs a provocative question for all you platform owners and technical recruiters out there. Is your hiring process ready for measurable, governed conversational portfolios? Because if you truly want to evaluate top-tier engineering talent, this is exactly the level of traceable, governed AI architecture you need to start expecting.